First, in producing a tone on trumpet, take your mouthpiece alone. We're going to create a buzz just using our mouthpiece. First, shape your lips as if you were to say M. Second, firm your corners. Now, with 50% upper lip and 50% lower lip, place it centered on your lips, the mouthpiece centered on your lips. Blow air and create a buzz sound. Repeat it 4 times total. The next exercise I call sirens. You're going to change the sound up and then down. In order to do so, you have to firm your lips and blow faster air for the sound to go up. Then loosen your lips and blow slightly slower for the sound to go down. Try to make sure you're going up and down instead of louder and softer. Now, insert your mouthpiece into your trumpet by giving it a gentle push and twist. Refer to how to hold the trumpet for your proper hand positioning. The first note introduced in Accent on Achievement is E, 1 and 2. The second note introduced is F, slightly higher, first valve only. The third note is G, 0 valves, but you rest the fingers on top of the valve without pressing it down. Two pages over, we get the note D, 1 and 3. And lastly, of the first 5 notes is C, also open like G, but looser embouchure, slightly slower air. So the main idea with brass playing is a lot of control of your embouchure. Blowing slow in loose corners gets low notes, like the C. Firm in your corners, blowing faster is G. And if you happen to go too high, you can get another C called high C. So it is possible to play many different sounds on your trumpet without pressing any valves down.